New York name is Chaltu. I was born in Horogudurwalaga. And you?
My name is Tolasa. I was born in East Woliganikem City. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hara Hora Harsadee, Yaart, Amuran. What is peace? What about the displacement of our nation? What is your family's situation? I feel deeply saddened by me.
I have given it to God's hand and left. It is very difficult.
How about the Irreecha? How would you describe it to those who do not know?
Irreecha is Thanksgiving holiday celebrating the end of the winter in Oromia region, Ethiopia. The Oromo people celebrate Irreecha to thank Waaka for the blessings and mercies they have received throughout the previous year.
Irreecha is celebrated as a sign of reciprocating Waaka in the form of providing praise for what they got in the past, and is also a forum of prayer for the future. In such rituals, the Oromo gather in places with symbolic meanings, such as hilltops, riverside and shades of big sacred trees.